realize something? Throughout all this abuse, whether you go through, how much of the woman them when to come out and say stop the violence against men? And a particular reason here make me choose to talk about that subject here. But look at these things.
Big up everybody, welcome my people. Thank you for joining me back here in Jamaican chat. And we have an exciting conversation here for everyone. And we're gonna just like, share, subscribe to the channel, everyone. And we're gonna big up Tu-lox as well. Big up Twins of Twins. Big up them platform. I always join in when they have a new episode available. So a new episode is available, and they're actually talking about the Queenie and the Dowey saga. You understand? Touching on other topics as well in between, you know, the twin them stay already, you understand? And the people are just a positive vibe, positive energy. If not bash nobody, you don't know Queenie stay. She might take it the wrong way, but it's definitely not a bashing session or anything like that. As I say, people, this is an exciting conversation. I would just gonna listen. I'm gonna put the full blog over here. You know, if you don't want to, you can go over Twin Man channel and check out him full blog. Not if you don't want, I got beg you go over there, like up him video, share and subscribe as well. So we're gonna just jump in at that one here real quick. As I said before, me jump in it, I got beg you like this video, share and subscribe to the channel.
I know it, but you can't make him something here. She right my back. I'm not gonna believe it. Alright, cool. I know I don't address it, but I couldn't ignore this. I not spell the word them phone, it's up on the screen. It's an unbelievable text. Anyway, what make you do that for comments on my message on your show. And you're still a fool, because although you still don't prove your point about stepfather don't fully love them stepchildren. She got hard this week, you know, she not bother the TRIL, you know. See? And when you go talk about dunce, D-U-N-S-E, I can't help it, make them unbelievable. This can't real. She have to troll. I can't make ya chat. A 9 subject me have. 9 subject? Well, in your case, what you mean? You mean like conversations where people are talking about like subject matter? A key academic achievement you are talking about, that's impossible. By them spelling it alone, you know, you don't know what a subject is. Don't get bright. That after the 9 subject. See? My stepfather, children. She come back now. Children again. T-R-I-L-L-D-R-E-N. Don't love him. Don't love. Well, me assume that she try say don't, but you know say T for the upon it. Love him like me. So if he take better care of me, nothing don't wrong. W-R-A-N-G with that. Get a life and my name out of your mouth. Let me tell you something. Get an education, I'm sure, out of your eye. And the last time I got addressed that something. For she and people like she, who are of the opinion say, a step parent can love a child 100%. Here is why I don't believe it. If you are a step parent and you're up on a boat with your biological son or daughter and your stepson or daughter and the boat are sink, and I could say your stepson drop in and your real son drop in and the two of them are drowned, and you only have a choice to save one, which one of them you save? You can only save one. No matter type in my comment, but I save the two of them. You only have a choice to save one. Which one you gonna save? If you said your biological child, you guess right. So if you'd have saved your biological child over the stepchild, that's the 10% of extra love for your biological child where you have that makes it 100%. And the reason why the stepchild staying at the sea till him drown is because you only love that child 90%. 90% a whole heap of love. Because these days people in a relationship only get 10% of love. So if you love your stepchild 90%, you're one good father, man. You will just never ever love them 100%, and that's impossible. I'm sure that there are anomalous cases where a man don't have no biological children and him take up a next man youth and love it like him own. Because of that anomaly, him can't get youth, so automatically all his emotions are now invested in these children or this child. Hope you get it now. Too much dunce in our nation, man. Jesus Christ, take time. Hi. Alright, so to the show now. I know a lot of familiar with this social media influencer named Queenie. See? She has a post her personal life regarding she and her husband. And because of her bright personality, a lot of people take on to her and the things that she deal with. See? So, the long and short of it, for who no know, believe it or not, is that Queenie, she come from England. She's Jamaican, live in England. She come to Jamaica, married a little youth, way younger than her. See? And bring him to England. So everybody that bash mostly Dewey, I say, he might use her. Because you know the thing already. Anything where the woman them do, it can always be met with understanding. Makes sense to a lot of people, to everybody. Because woman can go wrong in most cases. Now, we see where Dewey land in England and Jubilee. X amount of love and happiness. She fight her way till him reach England and thing. And then all hell broke loose on social media in a week, yeah, when people realize that there is trouble in paradise. Alright. Do you think I want to look in on yourself? First of all, I want to understand. Said I show you today that have nothing to do with Queenie or Dewey. It's just a part of the mission of my depend for show the double standard in a society as it relates to abuse concerning females and abuse concerning males. See? And even though I know Queenie nature, she can't allow nothing. I still have to use it to teach a lesson. Regardless of the fact say, I'm not going to disrespect her none at all today. She have a tendency for like anything very sensitive. I'm want my fans them. No, so me aware, right? And if and when she come blazing dark like midnight, me not give a fuck. I mean, I look on her. You know why? You say anything at all when you don't want people to talk about, don't put it on the internet. Private life name private life for a reason. Once it's public, and me, I am a part of that public. So if you make your business public, never right to put an opinion on it. You understand? Just like our Queenie for years, I've been having opinions about everything, every interview she does, she have a lot of opinions. So hopefully she understands that this is just my opinion on a very public matter. Anyway, this is where we say Dewey take to social media with a bandage on him forehead and basically he must say Queenie abuse him. Check out the video.
You don't know me and my wife have a little dispute, you understand, a little talking. You see me, and you know, it reached to a stage where she just, you know, she go from 1 to 1 million. You understand me, I say in real life. I don't have nothing about to say about my wife. When me and her argue, I see she the most, but you understand me, I say so. Love for me, have fear, I contain it. You understand me, I say in real life. No joke.
I'm telling you from where they know. Say the media, brother. The media turn the man them in a gyal, and I turn the gyal them in a man. The actions of Dewey right here, so. You see a man? You know, remember one time when the man and the woman war, man, and the man scare her, bust her face or something, she run gone over her cousin, him gone hide her, gone over her mother yard, or anyway, where she can feel safe. You remember that something there? Now, the woman used to do that. Queenie all right here, so. Now the man, the belligerent baby father, whether they have a weapon can or cuss. So, oh, that yeah, girl better come home and oh, hey, watch me and her think she get nothing yet. Right, hey. Who are the girl in that case, yeah? Who they are so now when the family them reach out and I say, I see boy I'll kill you. Who? And I say, oh, him never mean it. Then know him just get angry and him fling the something and it just graze my palm, my forehead. But everything alright with my name is just him get angry, you know. I wanna name somebody. And I like him don't love me. I love my husband. Not do it that is right, yes, sir. The same situation that I say flip right in front of an eye. No fun I go beg to differ, me know. Get with the times. And the next thing when I run with now, oh, what's the solution? If me tell you the problem, it's easy to find the solution. Avoid becoming bitches. Ladies, avoid becoming men. Nobody naga want to know. Simple. When you're noisy and disrespectful and condescending, avoid the masculine tendencies when I develop. Simple, that's a solution. Brother, me no know where na. Them youth, yo, on hardly Jamaican, much less man, to bumbuckle in a new world. Because me have a rule, you know. Keep your hand to yourself. Nobody no feel lick. Nobody. I'm sincerely, from my heart, mean it. But you see, if me did in a your position, Dewey, immediate deportation. When me done it Queen, them would have to sweep her up. From all over England, brother. Let me teach you them this. All of the man them are there foreign. Any girl where you there with. See, if them a help you with green card, yellow card, any card, a red card, once you put your hand on me. Stop putting yourself in a position for their foreign and make woman a walk all over uno because you don't feel like uno. It's a female mentality that a woman used to do them shit here, brother. To them itch on from people, I use them for some sort of reason. I mean not hear do it about work at no point in time. Me never hear do it say my work somewhere. Me cannot know, you know, no tell me in the comment section if do we have a job. Because I don't know nothing about them really. But you just there foreign and subject yourself to abuse. Because what? Somebody had do something for you. You subject yourself to abuse because you don't want to look ungrateful. Let me tell you something. If a girl feel like she can put her hand on me are the most ungrateful man a bumbuckle earth because it's on. Put on top of you help me. Once you touch me, I fuck you up. So my thing pass ungrateful. Remember blood clot that some of them you don't have sense. And another thing, you want to realize something. Throughout all this abuse, whether you go through, how much of the woman them when to come out and I say stop the violence against men. At a particular reason, yeah, make me choose to talk about that subject, yeah. But look at these things.
Yeah, my people, Twins of Twins done talking, and it make you know him feel. As I say, people, this is not the full vlog, so you can go over Twins of Twins channel, my Tu-lox, my 2 cents, and you can subscribe and watch the full video there. You understand? So I just want to bring this to the people and tell me how you feel. Tell me about it. It have some local cultural changes in it, right? We don't see it because I see exactly what the twin man is saying now. Big up yourself, Twin Boss, once more. Big up my subscribers them. Big up all of my viewers them. And all of who not subscribe yet, I beg gonna drop a subscribe because remember say you not must like the video. So if you want to subscribe, you want to give me a next chance to send out a video what you possibly might like. Alright my people, thank you so much for joining me back on Jamaican Chat. Big up on yourself. Have a great day people. Jamaican Chat.